Morning, folks, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm just going to show you how you can check your laptop battery health status using a built-in Windows tool, CMD. It's a command prompt. So in this video, you'll learn how to generate a detailed battery report through these tool, which I mentioned the command prompt, and understand the key sections that reveal your battery condition. If you have not subscribed, please do so now. Going back to the video, so let's start. First, type on start and type CMD, and then run as an administrator. If you're prompted to allow this application, you say yes, and then here it is. All right, so let me just put it a little bit bigger. So you put a space bar, and then type power CFG. That's / battery report, and then type entered. Once you type entered, this is the report that will be generated. And as you can see here, it's in HTML, meaning that you will need to see it through the browser. You can highlight it and right click, or you can highlight it and then do Control-C for copy. Then go to your browser, open your browser, and right click and paste, or Control-V as you prefer. Control-V as in Victor for copy. And this is a report you are going to get. Of course, this is not an accurate report in my case because I'm using a virtual machine, but as you can see here, it will tell you the kind of battery that will be installed, the recent usage, the battery usage, life, usage history, etc., and capacity. So you will get real results indeed when you run this report. So if you like the video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel one more time. And thank you, and have yourself a great day.